Hi everyone, it's Mel from Sweeney Hire, and today we're going to talk about the STIHL BG56 blower. So we've just done a bit of trimming down there. As you can see, I'm covered in grass, and we said we'd do a quick run through the blower afterwards so people know how to start it and see it in action and see how you can use it and everything. So I'll show you how to start it, and then I'll get my safety helmet. You've got your choke down here, your pull start, your primer, and then your on off switch. Alright, so put the choke on, we'll prime it, and then we will turn the choke, and then that's basically it. Then congeal, we'll pop on safety. Just divided it all into a nice little pile to come along afterwards with a shovel, and then to switch it off you literally just press the off button. So that's a quick demo on what the blower can do. So it does come in very handy. If you see there now, that little patch is quite clean and the ground is wet here today, so it still didn't stop it from picking up the grass from sticking for the most part. So yeah, that is how you use the STIHL BG56 blower, and it might come in handy when cleaning up after one of your next projects. So thanks a million for watching everyone. Again, if you have any feedback, any comments that you want to leave, please put them in the comment box below. The more feedback we get, the more we can provide better quality videos for you guys and film the videos that you guys really want to see. Thanks for watching. Cheers.